going to learn about a Bullock Cart. These are all the components used to make a Bullock Cart. Let's see what all the components are we using. We have 7 size beams, we have 11 size beams, we have 7 by 7 square beam, we have 8 by 5 square beams with side holes. Next we have 11 by 5 beams with pegs. We have an axle, we have perpendicular peg connectors, we have caster wheel, and at last we have wheels. Using all these components, we are going to make a Bullock Cart. So let's start. First of all, we are going to take a square 7 by 7 beam. We are going to insert an axle on the side in the middle. We are going to insert this axle, and similarly we are going to connect a wheel at both ends like this. Once that is done, we are going to set it aside. We are going to take a beam and take a peg. We are going to connect a peg at the end of both beams like this. Then we are going to take the model and connect it on the third hole like this. It is going to be a bit wobbly, but that's okay. The second beam is going to get connected on the fourth hole from right side like this. Now we are going to connect this over here. This is a pin module. We are going to connect the pin module at the end of both beams like this. Next up we have the other pin connector that is going to get connected at the front part of the pin connector. And then we are going to connect the caster wheel so that we can balance it out accordingly like this. After this is the main structure of a Bullock Cart. Let's make the cart. For that, we are going to take a square beam. We are going to insert 2 pegs at the ends and connect it like this so that it makes a carriage. Similarly, we are going to do it on the other side. Next up, we have these beams. We are going to insert pegs like this and cover it from the top. Same way, we are going to take 2 more pegs and cover it from behind. Your Bullock Cart is ready.